All right, so here is an explanation of the next osmosis problem. So problem 6. Tell whether water will enter the cell, leave the cell, or enter and leave the cell at the same time. The way to figure this out, if there's more water inside, it's going to leave. It's going to leave the cell until these are equal. If there is more water outside the cell, water will go in. It will enter the cell. If there is the same amount of water on the inside of the cell and the outside of the cell, then water is just going to go back and forth. It will enter the cell and exit the cell. Water is going to go one direction until both sides of the membrane are equal. So if there's more water outside, it's going to go from higher concentration of water to lower concentration until there's equal water on both sides. When there's equal water on both sides, then water will go in and out at the same rate. So here we have 90% water. Here we have 85%. There's more water inside the cell, so water is going to leave the cell. It will leave. So you put leave the cell. Here, there is more water outside the cell, so water is going to enter the cell. Here, there is equal water inside and outside, so water is just going to enter and leave at the same amount. It's going to keep it equal. We're going to keep balance. So that's how you do this problem. To connect this to the previous problem, if the cell is hypotonic, more water inside, water leaves. If the cell is hypertonic, there's more water outside, water will go in. If the cell is isotonic, water will go back and forth.